Hello everyone, what's up? I hope everyone is doing nice, and today's video is going to be about the mighty Duduma Falls. And when I say mighty, it actually is. The Duduma Fall plunges from a height of more than 550 feet, so it is considered as the third highest waterfall of Odisha. So we started our journey from Damanjodi, which is about 95 kilometers away from the fall. It takes about 3 hours to reach there along with halts. A lot of people get confused between Rani Duduma and Duduma. So let me make it very clear that both are two different waterfalls. Maybe the source is same, but the falls are situated at two different places, 60 kilometers apart. As you can see in the video, you are going to have an amazing ride to the place. The roads are good, the scenic greenery is even better. Overall, you can sum up saying that the journey is as good as the destination actually is. Now this is an important diversion which you might miss. This is where we take a left and leave the Jolapur Reservoir main road. From here, the waterfall is about 20 kilometers away. This is a shortcut basically. Finally, we reached the destination after a 3-hour-long journey. As you enter through the gates, you stop at the parking lot. The parking space is not that big, but it has a capacity to park around 10 to 15 cars and around 50 two-wheelers. Around 15 kilometers away lies the Machkund hydroelectricity project. One can also visit there on the same day. We parked our vehicles, prepared ourselves and started for the amazing viewpoints. Here we can see the hostel type waterfall which is 550 feet in height and is formed by the Machkund river. Also visible are the two sub waterfalls, one on the Odisha side and the other on the Andhra Pradesh side. Well, you can sit here for hours and enjoy the mesmerizing view. We left as we had to cover 2 more places. We left for the base point 1 in order to have some good time beside the riverbed. Now this is towards the left hand side as you enter the parking area. You can either trek down all the way to the riverbed, which is around half a kilometer away. We prefer taking our cars off-road until the midway. We named this spot as Base Point 1. This is an awesome place as you can have your food here beside the flowing water, but make sure to clean the place before you leave. Also, you can have hell lot of fun if you go ahead in the opposite direction of the river flow. So we finished our lunch there, clear all the plastics that we brought and marched ahead to explore further. I'm not sure if the video could do justice to the actual beauty of the place. We had our bit of fun and then headed back to the final spot in order to spend the sunset by the waterfall. We off-roaded our way back to the parking lot, parked our vehicles, and headed for the main attraction point. That is, to the base of the huge and amazing waterfall. Sit back and relax because it's a long way down there. We counted more than 800 steps and then further, so you can consider almost 1000 steps one way. But trust me, all this cardio is gonna be worth it at the end because the endpoint has something beautiful and amazing to offer. This is the Duduma waterfall.